In this game, each member will hold a string connected to a marker pen. The game master will then give a word or a picture for the participants to draw. The participant that has the nicest drawing or the nicest handwriting will win the game. Wow.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go! Wah, dia macam ni listen to it. Timo mochi. The nose also got. He's big ass. He's big ass. Try. 245.
Team Pen is a game that fosters communication, coordination, and teamwork within the team to complete a task. Each team will have to come up with a system that uses multiple strings connected to a pen to write a word and draw an image. Why is a system so important? A system is a way of running and doing things within an organization. When individuals work together under the rules of the system, team goals can be achieved faster. We have one more episode to go, so make sure you follow our Facebook page and follow our YouTube channel. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more. Bye!